Hello everybody, today we're going to be making chicken tenders with cornflakes as our crust, and these tasted so much better than the ones that you get in any fast food, so that's a double bonus. It's very easy to make, right at home, very convenient, and it's healthy, so awesome. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm not going to be doing much detailing today because it's pretty self-explanatory, but let's get started with our ingredients, which are going to be 2 pounds of chicken tenders, and that's going to come around to about 8 pieces, and we're going to cut those up in half, so we're going to end up with 60 pieces of the chicken. So just go ahead and cut all of those straight down the middle as evenly as you can. Next, we're going to work on the coat, which is going to be 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and we're going to whisk that around. Oh, a whole whisk is not necessary, of course, but this is just so that it's easier to get everything to become a homogeneous mixture. And yeah, just go ahead and mix that. At this point, we're going to take each of the individual chicken strips and roll them around in this flour. So yeah, just place it in there. You can completely submerge it and cover it and try to get as much as you can on it as possible. The way my mom is doing it is that she just places the chicken and then she just shakes the bowl so that the flour gets coated on top of it and underneath it. And then afterwards, we're going to take 2 eggs to form the egg wash, and we're going to just mix those up. And after dipping the chicken in the flour, the next step, or stage I suppose, is dipping it in the egg wash. So straight from flour to egg wash. And then the star of the show, we're going to have 2 cups of cornflakes, and you can just go ahead and crunch those up with your hand if you want it to be a little bit crunchier and more texture and thicker on the outside. If you want it to be finer, you can definitely throw these in a food processor or blender so that they're very small pieces, and so you just get the taste. But once again, it's all preference. My mom made these pretty thick and chunky on the outside, so that was pretty fun. I liked eating them with a texture like that. So whatever you guys want to do, but just go ahead and for the purposes of making it the way we did, you could just do it with your hand. And then you're just gonna go ahead and throw it into these cornflakes, and it's just going to be those 3 steps: the dry ingredients, the egg wash, and then the cornflakes. Also, just a quick PSA, I'm sure you guys have the common sense to know not to use cornflakes with sugar in them, but just a reminder, don't buy normal cereal cornflakes with sugar in them. Buy sugar-free cornflakes because we are not making sweet chicken tenders today. Although I wonder if that does taste good, so if you guys end up not reaching this part of the video before getting your ingredients and you accidentally made that mistake, let us know in the comments below how you felt about it or how it turned out, I guess. But for now, we will be using sugar-free because we will be making a completely savory chicken. So when that's all coated, we could just set those all to the side and start frying. So we're going to be using avocado oil for frying. This is much healthier than using canola or vegetable oil. So yeah. Also, honestly, it tastes better. Like, it, in my opinion, it doesn't leave it feeling very heavily greasy, and it like, what's the word? When you strain it, it immediately flows down. I feel like with the vegetable oil, it really doesn't. It like lingers for a long time. Also smells really bad for the rest of the day. You know, you face a lot of consequences when you work with those oils, but with avocado oil, I feel like it's a lot milder and it's a lot, not diluted, but I don't know. I feel like it's less dense. So that on top of all of the other health benefits, which we have been shoving down your throats for the past like 30 videos. So if you guys want to know about those, check another one out. But I will give you a grace period today, and I won't bombard you with the health facts that my mom wants you to hear. So yeah, I mean, she tells me them every day, so I have to like have an outlet somewhere, and this is that. So I'm, you guys don't have a choice, you're watching the video. So but yeah, once you put them in the fryer, just go ahead and turn them around every couple of minutes to make sure that it's nice and golden brown and until they look beautiful and so delicious. And this is it at the end. I devoured all of these myself, like literally this was my plate, and it was beautiful. And I will be making these myself soon. I'm very excited. So I hope you guys enjoy making these chicken tenders, and that they're very simple and very yummy and very healthy, and they don't leave you feeling horrible. And that's it. Happy cornflake chickening. Bye!